podcast. Today we talk about how can you sell on your Whatnot app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Whatnot app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just go down here, click here on sale down here. You just click here on sale. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on get started here. So then when you just click here on get started, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you select which category will you sell in most option here. So I'm going to click on sports cars for example here. Click on next and here you select here which subcategory here will you sell in most option here. I'm going to click on football cars. This is all for example. And here which of this picture describes you. Click here on I'm just starting here. Click on next. So if you want to sorry here if you are actively selling online or in person here, if you want to add it, or here if you want to adjust, I'm just starting here. So you click on next and you here you fill all this list here, your full name, your address to city and state, that postal code in your country. You click on next, then it's going to take you to add your ATMs on your Whatnot app. That's all you have to do to sell on your Whatnot app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.